Pro Exterior Services here. Got another one lined up for you. We're going to get on film today. So we are finishing up with this project here. It's around 3:30, I guess, 4 o'clock, I'm not sure. So we're going to do a house wash. Tony's already on property protection. Going to just soft wash that deck. Hey Tony, look, that big barbecue grill thing. See if you can push it kind of more in the center so that way we don't get no overspray. Yeah, we're going to hit that too. And we're going to hit the shed. Can't leave the dirty shed. So let me show you. I don't know if you remember this property, but this was a property we actually came out for roof debris and gutter cleanup during the storm. Hooked them up on an annual. Hook, line, and sinker, baby. No problems. So anyway, yeah, we can, we're gonna go get rolling. Got the water connected. First thing we'll do, Tony's finishing our property protection. I'm pulling hose for the AR. Try to be as efficient as possible. And move some volume here. And let's check our setting here. We're on half soap. We're gonna back this down a little bit to about 4. That's gonna be our setting for the day. And I see a lot of people on the internet, and of course, when I get time to read it, I don't get much time to do that, but talking about 1/2 inch 5/8 hose. And yeah, we did that test a while back, me and my partner Mike, and 1/2 inch does get you a little bit more volume. But there's nothing, I mean, 5/8 get you a little bit more volume, but there's nothing wrong with a 1/2 inch either. So don't think because you got 1/2 inch, it won't work. Mine works. But will I go to 5/8? Probably in the future, but you got to remember, you got an output of a 1/2 inch and you got an input on your reel of a 1/2 inch. So you got 2 bottlenecks there too. So, but it's all good. Either way, I'm not mad at you. What works for you, it works for you. Some people like the 12 volt. I'm not a 12 volt guy for house washing. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get set up here and get rolling. All right, peace. Right on the front side of the house. That way when we're done, we're strategically wrapping up for efficiency purposes. Just wetting it down a little bit. Somebody asked me about these box tree bushes or whatever you call them, but we don't have a problem with it. Just put a little water on them, we'll be all right. Put a little water on this. Spray it once a little bit. So just, again, we're not using a strong mix here, so you don't need to saturate these too bad. Put a little nice little coat on them. We're just gonna go to right here, hit the front. Then we're gonna hit this door. So there's a wooden door that needs to be restained. Hey Andy, do me a favor, see if you can pick those plants up and put them in the yard. So, hit this real quick. We're gonna just soft wash this. And rinse my door really well. And when I rinse my door, this can be my last spot I hit. That way I can turn the rinse mode on and rinse it off pretty quick. See all that dirt coming off. That's just pollen and stuff that's been built up. I think we're kind of over pollen season, so. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here. Hit this again. Get my remote. Soap on. Again, just need a little bit of, they got irrigation too, so all this stuff's getting irrigated too, so. Oh yeah, this can come out nice. There we go, we got some suds, we got some suds. about halfway done. Waiting on soap. Already pre-wet. And look, if you can't get behind the bushes, get best you can. That's all you can do. I went ahead and pre-wet my brick a little bit. So yeah. Let this heat, put a little water on there. Get what you can. I can't see it. I just flood it. Just flood it, baby. And this is the hot side, so we're probably going to rinse this first. Getting it done, baby. We got another big job we just landed from a past customer. It's actually 2 houses connected together. It's a whole package. So y'all gonna love that video. It'll be a nice video. Nice spread too. Get all up in there. Look at all the nasty funk. That's why we here, baby. With the gutters. Hit this front real quick. A little bit of section here. And this guy that owns this house, he's a pro golfer, so he owns a golf academy. Need to see if he can get some golfing skills. Get on that golf game. They think they got trouble with the pressure washing industry with me in it. I thought they knew. Thought they knew. A little dirt right here too. Let me hit that again. We got a lot of staining on this property just because it hasn't been cleaned so long. So we'll let the customer know. No problem. Hitting that thing. Oh, that thing's a beast, man. Thing's shooting out some bleach. Alright, I'm gonna turn my soap off, head back to where I was, start rinsing. Any heavy growth, this is where you want to hit it. Or any hot spots. Right there's a hot spot, but that's coming right off, so I'll come back over here to my hot spot, hit my windows. My brick. Oh yeah, smelling good. Did a roof job the other day and a woman was an ex-swimmer. She's like, oh, I love the smell of this. I said, yeah, it's all pro. That chlorine, baby. Alright guys, we're gonna hit the shed and we got the back of the house and we're done. Been here, I don't know, 30, 35 minutes. I walked around the customer for 10 minutes. So just waiting on soap and wetting everything down on this hot side. Got to clean it up for him a little bit. Got soap there. Already pre-wet them plants, so don't freak out on me. Got Tony double feeding. Have to let this marinate for a minute. Got to do its magic. Oh yeah, nasty. A lot of that may be orange staining, which is that iron. We got a lot of clay in this part of the town, and the iron gets in there. I'm not doing the backside just because it's got all kind of stuff over it. Got him a deer stand. All right, guys, in the back of the house, just put it down a little bit. Put that down a little bit. That's almost all the vegetation except for right here. We're not doing under that canopy. He's got a whole bunch of wood that he's curing or something. Yeah, the sag hose is nice, man, but I tell you, it curls up. You see that curling? Let me turn my soap on so we can roll up out y'all. Left side of the house. Again, you got about 45 seconds, so get in last minute watering in that you may want to get in. Time it right. Clean it up nice. People call you back. Water this down a little bit for them. There we go. We're getting some suds. We're getting some suds. Back at the crib, back at the pad, we're back at the house. Got the rig all pulled in. Need to get some tires. By the way, anybody running a trailer, I always recommend radial tires, not bias tires, especially for highway use. Everything worked out great. Another day in paradise, baby. Appreciate all the likes, subs, calls, comments. We got to take tomorrow off. I have a funeral to go to. Yeah, so anyway, it was a good day. Please like, sub, call, comment, keep them coming. Peace.